everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been probably like almost a year since I uploaded a video, but yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy GlamBag PLUS. It's a makeup subscription box that gets shipped to you monthly. They have a small one, it's called the Ipsy GlamBag for $10 a month. Or they have this one, which is called the Ipsy GlamBag PLUS. And it comes with at least 5 full-size beauty items each month for $25. So yeah, we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Also, I must mention that this video is not sponsored in any way, obviously, but I mean, hey, if they want to sponsor me, your girl could use some coin. Okay. Alright, got it open. So, yeah, GlamBag PLUS. And then I really like it because they wrap it up like really nice each month, so that's cool. Okay, so this is the book that comes with it every month that tells you what is in your box and the retail value of all your items. So we're not going to look at that all the way yet because we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so first is this. It's the Benefit Dandelion Shy Beam Liquid Highlighter. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh, so that's cute inside. It's got little decorations on it. Okay, looks like instructions. Okay, so here it is. This is super cute. I honestly don't wear highlighter too often, but I've never, oh my gosh, I've never tried a liquid kind. And it looks like nail polish. But yeah, so liquid highlighter. Never tried it, but it's worth a shot, I guess. Okay, next thing is, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. So this is really nice because I love getting stuff for my face, and moisturizer is great. Okay, so here it is. It's 1.7 ounces. Let's see, it's got a seal on it. Oh, so that's nice. It's like really light and smooth. I like that. Okay, next thing is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I honestly thought this would be a bit bigger, but no, I'm still here for it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at those colors. Oh, I love them. I love the sparkly shades. Honestly, I'm not that great with eyeshadow, so I would probably never wear like anything bold like this, these two bottom ones, but I really love the sparkly shades, and it has a little mirror. But that's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the next thing. Oh my gosh, my cat's like falling off the counter. Hold on. Okay, the next thing is this Pixi by Petra Lash Lift. I'm assuming it's mascara. I don't know. Let's open it and find out. Oh, okay. So it's got like 2 parts to it. So it's got this one. This almost looks like a, oh no, that's like mascara because I just got it on my hand. I thought it was like a gel. And then the next one is this. Oh, okay. So it's just like a thin one, like a thin brush, and then a thick brush. double brush mascara. Yeah. In shade Beyond Black. Love that. Okay, and then the last thing in here is this brush set by Farah Beauty. These are really cute. I have one other brush from this company. It's like one of their gold ones. It's really soft and nice, and I like it. It's also an eyeshadow brush. These ones are silver. They're kind of short, but they're still decent sized. And you get 5 of them in the set. So yeah, super cute. So that's everything that came in the box. Now I'll go through the book real quick and show you. Okay. So the first thing is this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. And this retails for $27. And then the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift Mascara retails for $18. And then the Benefit Cosmetics liquid highlighter retails for $26. The Purely's moisturizer. Oh wow, this is it. Retails for $45. Wow, so that's kind of exciting. And then the last set thing is this brush set, and it says its value is $50. So that's well over $100 worth of items for only $25, and it is free shipping through Ipsy. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will drop my referral link below. They do have a point system. When you sign up with them and you rate your products each month, you can collect points to use in their store towards free beauty items. So yeah, that's it for my March GlamBag PLUS unboxing.